are called aunt. Okay. So Nina's auntie was going to get married, and her auntie lives in Delhi. Many of you have seen Delhi, isn't it? You have gone to Delhi, I know. So Nina was not staying in Delhi. She was staying outside Delhi. And so her parents, they were preparing to go to Delhi for Nina's aunt's marriage. Pasal na ina tura khan mo, pasal na ina tura khan kal an tumani jo. Everyone in the house were happy, okay? They were preparing for the wedding, marriage, wedding, everybody was happy. They were buying new dresses, they were packing their clothes, they were packing their things, and they were waiting for the day of her aunt's marriage. They were wanting to go to Delhi very much. But when everybody was happy in the house, only Nina was not happy. Nina and they don't know why Nina was not happy. For you, if your auntie is going to get married, you all are so happy, isn't it? You are eager for the day to come. But here, Nina was not happy. Everyone was happy except Nina. So I'll read the second paragraph. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. So see, since Nina was not happy, everybody in the house was saying, Nina, why are you not happy? But Nina did not say anything at first. Then mother said, I think Nina wants something new. And mother took her to the market. Okay? And mother said, I will buy for you a new dress. Then mother asked her, what color you like? Do you like the red color? Do you like white color? Do you like pink color? We all like different kinds of colors also. But when mother asked Nina, what color you like? Nina said, I don't want new dress. Then mother said, then if you don't want a dress, okay, do you want salwar kameez? Salwar kameez that is called salwar kameez. Okay. So mother asked Nina, do you want salwar kameez? Then Nina said, no. She shook her head. Okay. She shook her head. Then mother said, then if you don't want salwar kameez or dress, do you want a new shoes? Then Nina said, no, mommy, I don't want anything. Thank you, mommy. Don't buy for me anything. Then let's go to the third paragraph. Nina's mother was upset. Upset means abaydong. Okay. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. And they went back home and had lunch. Bazara uncle kaeng malaylawin inan hole kani anu kabaydong takinasyama. Ninay kan matil karadu boxi lawa inan hoat hunchon ayani. They had lunch. Okay. After lunch, mother came and said near Nina, anu kachwanin Ninay himlaw na chan ka asyadu tani. Ingatingi midang zong anu tin pasal na inaturan him kanina ito adungay nina oma til tar maalago silaw at chan siyat katum at anu kana chan siyat katum tani. Then after lunch, mother went and sat near Nina. Here, she went near Nina. Then mother asked Nina, what is it, child? Kadwat lai, ematitangin ni abatini. Why did you say no to everything? Ingat tinggi engki makanin ay iti tak eng mo idu la ule. Then turn to the next page, page 16. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. You know what Nina said? Mommy, I don't want to go to the wedding. I don't want to go to Delhi. Then mother said, but why? Nina said nothing. Nina did not want to say at that time also. Instead, two big tears rolled down. You know, two big tears. Amit tui karon luang chatani tu. Aron chaptani. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Nina ikakwatani tu nuhan. Don't cry, my pet. The meaning is, don't cry, my pet. Kadwate tapreng rensu. Tell me, okay, mother said, why don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Engin nge mulse, engvamin nge itra, enge ilungay na chanka nin shiro atitani tunutuan. Then when mother pet Nina, okay, mother kanin, Nina ika anbuat, dew kanina ika alungat sa tangoy, and she cried more and more, okay? More tears rolled down Nina's cheek. Mother, then at last, Nina could say, Nina said, Mother, atra na chanle, inne na kalaw na chan kahiya sito don. Mother, there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. And there are two baby sparrows in the nest. Akal do law na chan ka anu shiltani, because in Nina's room, Nina had a bedroom, okay? In her bedroom, there was a sparrow's nest. Zong zong bu kalawamani. And in the nest, there were two baby sparrows, okay? And those two baby sparrows, she loved them, and she did not want to leave that baby sparrows away. So let's keep reading down. Then mother said, I see. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry, cheep, cheep, asking for food. And Nina said to mother, Mommy, if I go for auntie's wedding, the baby sparrows, every day they are saying, cheep, cheep, I'm hungry. So min pero tin and out china. It is not that Nina is giving the food to the babies. The mother bird come flying through the window. They have to keep the windows open, okay? So the bird's mother used to fly in and give food to the baby birds. Then mother said, if we go, no, Nina said, if we go, the whole place will be locked. Locked means in kalama. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? So Nina was worried about that. Nina ikatuan sa banaw te ka amangay emani. An zinsan de chuanin munda nga kan zindon chuan kan inte kan kal chintro tuk verte kung kate kahat tuk verte ka an kal khangay don siya. Then how will Mama and Papa sparrow come and feed the babies? Yung tinye ka sa banaw te ka so anron pek ta ka muti kami lungay na bakan inne na kan local ka do lawani. So mother said, oh Nina, and mother hugged Nina. Okay, you know what is hug? Nina ika abakwa tani. So oh pafanudwa. Chuva ni mo ilaw lungay mangay na hilawan nga matitani too. And is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We'll leave the windows open. And see, this is very, very important. Chadang ngay sharuo. Ninay ko ka atiri na lungay ema. Ama, sawi na tuwara. Tiro, anu te apate ashilu. Ni alawan eh. Ma se tu na chuan anu ka ashilu ta. She told her mother all her problems. Chuan anu chuan. Ahar sat na ka olsa takin raw aron red sakto doon ni. Now let's listen what mother said to Nina, okay? Then mother said, yes, we'll remove all your things. Listen, this is very important. We'll remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself in the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nests. Good idea, isn't it? Mother said. You understand? Mother is saying, we will not close the window. Iruma tukverhikan khar lawanga kan punganga. Ma se iruma thomnom zong songni kan ruma kan daanga chuan irum pong ka kapon lama kan kalanga. Miswaran laulu po in marup turom law turhan. Isetiamen ni nay room ka chun da ruak don ani chuan. Chuan tukver ka kan punganga kan lawlan po in sabanu anu le apate kanin. So ka anron perel thi don lo. Atitani chunu chuan. And Nina said, yes, mommy, that's very good idea. See? Kan har sat na te mule pate kan shil chuan mule pate hian min chok zang khai thian ni. Enge mani lungai na deu in nei te khan ma ania tuar reng reng lo tu. Nule pate shil vat tu. Nule pate hi kan lei pathian te ania. Eng ki ma min pui thi na ni ti khashero. Oh. Enge mani lo o deu te on point ngoi rengain o deu kha. In lo tor fan ha chuan tu manan shadon lo tu manan pui thi don lo chuwa. Imu emo ipa emo ipi emo ipu emo ne nei sei vat kha chuan in tan khan in tin tin nge manin ron ngai to vat nei don ni. Khatiang chia khan ni nai point anu ne na sei kha chuan in anu i ba han sing em. Good idea te tok ta ne. Alom ne tok khata tang kha chuan auntie's marriage kalpo akhur ta em ni. And so Nina was very excited. She was very happy with her mother's idea. Okay, it was a good idea. So when Nina came back from the wedding, then after that idea, they closed the door, they opened the window, and all Nina and her family, they went to Delhi for her aunt's marriage. Okay, must be they stayed there for 1 or 2 weeks. And she enjoyed herself in that wedding. Okay, and after 2 weeks, when they came back home, auntie maulam na an bakala anron hol no chuanin. Let's see what they see. Okay, when Nina came back from the wedding, there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Wasn't Nina thrilled? So when they came back from the wedding, you know, when Nina went and opened her bedroom, she could find 2 plum means fat. Okay, 2 fat little baby sparrows learning how to fly in her room. They did not die of hunger. Mama bird and Papa bird, they could come through the window and feed the baby birds. So, and you know, when Nina saw those 2 plump little sparrows flying all over her room, she was thrilled. Thrill means very, very happy. Okay. Who is that Kela Lomzwali? What's your name, this boy? Showing your nose. So Nina was thrilled. Thrill means very, very happy. Okay. And after a few days, those two baby birds, after they learn how to fly, they could fly and they flew out of the window and they could be free like other birds. So see, Nina was so happy because she could see the two baby birds could fly and could leave her room and fly like other birds. And she loved those two little baby birds. And she was having that problem, isn't it? But when she shared her problem to her mother, when mother solved the problem, everything was good, perfect. Good idea was given to her. So from this lesson, there are two things that we learn in this lesson. One is never keep a problem in yourself. Mani har sat na nei khamo. Mani ya khan tuar ngot lo tur. In chung teshil but zel tur. And number two, love animals. Love animals. Some of you have dogs, I know. Some of you have cats. Some of you have birds at home. I know you feed them, you love them. Without talking, how many of you have dogs at home? Raise up your hand. Dogs. Very good. Do you sleep with your dogs sometimes? Yes. Do you feed them? You love them, you pet them, isn't it? How many of you have cats at home? Cats. Cat. No one. Then how many of you have birds at home? Birds. Okay. There are some who have birds. Very good. So you love them, isn't it? You feed them. When you love them, even the animals know that we love them. Mga itu hito, tu manan haylaw. Everyone knows. Your mommy and daddy also, they love you and you know them very well. Isn't it? I know. So do off your microphone. Okay. Do you all understand the lesson? It's a very nice story about Nina, isn't it? Nina was not happy when all her parents were happy because they were going to go for her aunt's wedding. And she was not happy because of one thing. What was the thing that she was not happy about? Because there were two baby sparrows in her room. She did not want to leave those two baby sparrows, closing all the windows and doors and not letting the mama and papa sparrows to feed them. She knew that if they close the windows, the two baby sparrows would die. But when she shared that problem to her mummy solved her problem, okay? And everything went very, very good. So now, there are some difficult words. There are some few new words, and these few new words are like market. Market means bazaar, okay? Bother. Bother means tibuai, okay? Then the third one is problem. Problem means harsatna. Dress. Dress. Kamno, okay? And upset itu mangang. Remove means to take away. Lason, dason. Wedding means inna, maulam na. Two words, wedding, even we can say marriage. Then lovely means, this is the sign for lovely. Lovely, this sign. Amoy, okay? And plum, P-L-U-M-P, plum means fat. Okay? So some of you are plump, isn't it? When you eat lots of food. Okay, so these are the new words. And now you know the story, I hope. Read this lesson 2-3 times, okay? This question and answers we'll do later on. But all of you turn to page number 18. All of you, please turn to page number 18, 18. Talk time is there. Number 1. How do baby sparrows eat? And do they chew and chew? No. They swallow. Okay. They open their beak. They open like this, and mother or papa sparrow, they put the food inside and they close their beak and they swallow through andol chin. Okay. And they eat insects. Number 2, what new things would you like to wear for a wedding? Okay. Hi, who is that singing? Rabab? Okay, microphone. So, when we go for wedding, sometimes we have new things to wear, isn't it? Boys, you buy new shirt, new pant, new shoes. Girls, we are lucky we can buy a dress, we can buy salwar kameez, we can even buy maxi. Maxi means that very long gown like. Okay. So, we like to have new dresses, isn't it? What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say, I would like to wear, and on that line, there is one line, isn't it? You will write what you would like to wear for a wedding. In okay, you can write anything that you would like to wear. Now, in the second, there is picture story. Picture story. See the picture, Nina, mother, Nina's face, Nina looking through the window, mother picture is there. These are not arranged properly. Indot lawin ang siya ka ni. Aton tu indot dan ka in siya tiro. Ninay ka ahim law manun basara aswaya thomhon leidon ko ina dulawa inan hole anu in ngatingi atya tuana ron trap chuak ta tuana nuhe na asoy ta ahim law na chan ka sabanaute aruma kanyan oma kan kalsan chuan tuin nge chope angatita chuan an mukhanin si dan tu rashila tikana nuti anu thua oya anuti ang khanan tia sabanaute te ka chu anron hole ka chuanin an lo thlo thei chan to khalo ni. That is the story. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures, they are not arranged in order. Ain dotin aomlo. Tutu aton tu angkan, like the story over here on the next page in this line. These sentences, you are going to put them in order like the story. Okay. So now, mother says, we will leave the window open. Tika story pula umlaw ren tiro. Kakachunaki na ninay na chanchin alimlaw na chanchin asoy nuwa anuin idea apek sa ukanitani. Then Nina is happy again. That is also in the end atop lamanita. Nina is sad. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Mother asks why. So in these 5 sentences, which one shall we write for number 1? On your microphone and tell me, which one will be number 1?
Nina is sad.
Very, very good. Number 1 will be Nina is sad. Then what will be number 2?
Mother says why.
Mother asks why. Very good. Number 3 will be what?
Nina does
Very good. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. What will be number 4?
Mother said will
Mother says we will leave the window open.
Right. Mother says, we will leave the window open. And the last one, number 5, will be what?
Nina
Nina
is happy
Yeah. Nina is happy again. That one. Number 1 is Nina is sad. This Nina is sad there in number 1. You will write Nina is sad. Then number 2 is mother asked why. Here you will write mother asked why. Like that. 3 you will write in number 3, 4 in number 4, 5 in number 5. Yeah. Okay, please off your microphones. Okay. Thank you. Now, after you write this story, okay, on page number 19, very interesting. You are going to draw and color a bird. Will you like to draw and color a bird? Yes. Here, you will draw and color a bird. Here, okay. A nice one, not a small one. A box. Then, so I'm giving you homework. Number 1, to read the lesson. Number 2, page number 18, to write the story. Number 3, to draw and color a bird. And number 4 is already given. This homework is already given. I told you to draw a bird, cut it, make the feather. For the eyes, you will put button. Okay, korkir. And you will make like this. This one. It is there in your book. Here, all how to make it is written. And then this also you will fill up by yourself. Will you? I hope you will be able to do this too. So, beautiful means moi, black, you know, it's a color. Red, happy, tall, fat, these are all easy words. You will fill up a fat woman, a red rose, a happy boy, a beautiful peacock, a blackbird, a tall man. That is very easy. It's an easy homework. And you will do this. Page number 21, page number 19 and 18. So all of you, mark 18, 19, 21 is going to be for your homework, writing homework. And you will read this lesson, Nina and the baby sparrows, the story you are going to read. Okay. Do you all enjoy the story? What's the moral of the story? He thon tho changa kan shiat tur chu kan harsat na te hi mani chawin tor lo tur nu le pa te ne na kan sai fekanga manin kan ti thelo chuan nu le pa te min pui tu tur athian in pe kha khang te ne na kan in kim kan in shi ton ton ni oh share everything with your mommy and daddy. Okay, everything your mommy and daddy can solve. Nule pat ta chu kan lei pathian te ania an mani kha in kim kan shilanga kan za nga an thu te kan oi em turani. Okay, time is over. Bye bye.
Please, how to do question answer?
No need to do question answer.
Bye-bye, Miss.
You read the
Good
story.
afternoon, Miss. Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Miss.